Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool, goofy animated lamp, and this is Pamela's equipment from Oregon, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now we want to go over the issue that this Goofy lamp is having. If you turn Goofy on, basically what happens is the gears that would normally move the animated motion for the arms and the head will just click. So they're basically stripping out in the gear cluster pack. And we want to go through that gear cluster pack and make our repairs. We also want to do some preventive maintenance on the circuit board in the base of Goofy, and that's just for future issues. So we will be troubleshooting this lamp and going further into the problems that it's having. We also want to mention that if any of the moving parts are restricted for this Goofy lamp, it will cause issues in the gear cluster pack, and if Goofy ever fell off a table or fell over, that can cause damage to the gear cluster pack also. When plugging in Goofy or unplugging Goofy from the electrical outlet, you always want to use the main power switch at the back of the base of this lamp. You want to turn the main power switch in the off position when plugging in Goofy or unplugging Goofy from the electrical outlet. We also want to mention that the electronics associated with this type of lamp are pretty delicate. They're prone to power surges and static electricity, so you definitely want to turn the main power switch in the off position if this type of lamp is not going to be used for a while. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated Goofy lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we have the unit plugged into the electrical outlet, and we have the main power switch in the off position. We want to go ahead and turn that switch on. You may see a little flash of the light. That's just an indication that the unit has power. So we'll turn the switch on, and we'll go ahead and turn the lamp on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
Now Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We want to go ahead and turn the unit off.
Who turned out the light?
And we want to wait a little bit. It's not good to turn this type of lamp on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit back on.
Hello? Hello?
We'll give that a second. turn the lamp back off.
Oh, where'd you go?
And we'll give that a second, and then we'll turn the unit back on. We'll go ahead and turn the lamp back on.
Things are looking brighter already.
We'll turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
We'll give that a second. And we'll turn the lamp back on.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
We'll turn it off one more time.
Guess it's time to go. See you later.
And we'll turn Goofy back on one last time.
That's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Pamela and they can enjoy Goofy once again. I'm sure Goofy's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.